this is covered in a book written by Tho Paramasivam, Thopan சொல்லுவோம், called Devam Enbador. And Kamal, keeps citing Tho Paramasivam as an inspiration also. Parvati is Pechiyamma, and the name of Shivan is, I guess, Muniyandi, and the name of Brahma is Virumandi in, local folklore. And the name of Vishnu is Mayandi. Virumandi is like the brother of Pechiyamma. She comes down, south of Madurai, and she finds a place called Karumathur. It's a forest. She's basically faced with a demon, local demon called Peikaman, who is not able to tolerate all the rituals that she does. Her rituals are very, what do you call, Saivam. In fact, there's a song called Karumathur Kattukulla Orugalathail. It doesn't play fully in the movie. That song has the entire story. மாட்டு குடல் எடுத்து மாலையாக போட்டு தான் பேச்சியம்ம இடத்துக்கு அவன் வந்தானே, about
ஆ
பேய்க்காமன். சைவ வாடை அது கொஞ்சம் சகிக்கவில்லை, தாக்கி முகஞ்சொலிக்க வைக்குது. He basically comes and gives her a deadline of like 7 days, like 1 week. I give you 1 week to basically, pack your bags and leave this place. She is, afraid because Shiva in the story is supposed to be powerless. கண்ணனான கழுவநாதன், it says கண்ணனான கழுவநாதன். கண்ணன் is basically Vishnu. It says கண்ணனான கழுவநாதன் உள்ளங்கை ரேகையத்தான் உருவி உருவி பார்த்தாண்டி, புறங்கை ரேகையத்தான் புரட்டி புரட்டி பார்த்தாண்டி, உதவ கரம் கொடுப்பான் அவன் பேரு நான் சொன்னேன் விரும்மாண்டி. Basically, he leads her to Virumandi. He comes and he basically is supposed to fight Peikaman and release her. Get into a fight. And basically, the village people come and they mediate and they say that
ஏதோ ஒரு இடத்துக்கு போயிட்டு
Mottagopuram,
வரணுங்கிற மாதிரி.
yeah, they say
Correct.
Mottagopuram,
Correct, correct.
கிட்ட போயிட்டு you get a flag post and come back. And
correct,
they'll be
yes.
giving a horse to each of them. And what Peikaman will do is he'll handicap the horse given to Virumandi, so that he has an advantage. And both of them will go. And Virumandi will still defeat Peikaman and come back and basically drive Peikaman away and basically give the place to Pechiyamma. And Pechiyamma, she would have promised, sacrifices in a very big way to Virumandi, almost 6 meals a day and something like that. And she'll then realize, like, this will not sustain. This will not be sustainable to do that. And then so she'll just take a ring out and put it inside a well. And she'll ask Virumandi, like, அண்ணே உள்ள விழுந்துருச்சு எடுத்து தரீங்களா? And he'll go inside to retrieve the ring, and she'll close the well. And this even comes in the song when he'll be like, உனக்கா உதவ வந்து எனக்கா இப்படி பண்றீங்க? She'll be like, அண்ணே அது கட்டுப்படி ஆகுமா, உலகம் தான் தாங்குமா? And so உங்களுக்காக நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்னா, ஆடி வெள்ளி கடைசி வெள்ளியில we'll basically do a padayal for you. Basically, the entire village comes together and it gives a full feast to the deity called Virumandi in the last Friday of Adi Masam.